Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the term radioactivity. Radioactivity. So radioactivity is a long concept. So I want to describe you radioactivity with part 1 and part 2. So this is part 1.
Radioactivity. Radioactivity. Students, radioactivity is an important concept of 11th class chemistry. 11th class chemistry, atomic structure chapter. So what is radioactivity? Students, in the subject of radioactivity, we will discuss about emission of alpha, beta, gamma particle. Alpha, beta, gamma particle. Okay. Emission of alpha, beta, gamma particle means alpha, beta, gamma particle emitted from a nucleus. From a nucleus. Which types of nucleus alpha, beta, gamma particle is emitted? We read now. So radioactivity is a nuclear phenomena. Radioactivity is a nuclear phenomena. Students, nuclear phenomena means from radioactive nucleus or from unstable nucleus. Students, unstable nucleus means the nucleus which have proton and neutron value different. This is called unstable nucleus. 3 particles emitted. Okay, again I refresh. Emission of alpha, beta, gamma particles. In the subject of emission of alpha, beta, gamma particles, we will read now. This is radioactivity. Okay, radioactivity is a nuclear phenomena. What is nuclear phenomena? Nuclear phenomena is that means from radioactive nucleus or from unstable nucleus, 3 particles emitted. These 3 particles alpha, beta and gamma. So we will read now about alpha emission, beta emission and gamma emission. So students, what is alpha emission? Okay, so alpha emission, when 2p means 2 proton or 2 neutron is emitted from a nucleus, not nucleus, radioactive nucleus or unstable nucleus. When 2 proton, 2 neutron emitted from a radioactive nucleus, we called this is, in this case, alpha emission is occur. Okay, so students, writing style of alpha emission is, this is alpha under 2. 2 is proton or neutron, and in the top we will write the mass value. This is students Z. This is atomic number. This is mass number. Okay, so this atomic number and mass number equal with helium nucleus. So students, this is the nucleus of helium. 2 neutron and 2 proton present in helium nucleus. Okay, so in helium 2 electrons revolve around the nucleus and the mass of helium equal to 4. Okay, and students, if we will an interest about to study the charge of alpha emission, then alpha emission is positively charged. Okay, means positively charged. So if we will write the alpha emission, our writing style is, this is alpha and 2 4. Remember that term. This is alpha emission formula. Okay, so students, 2 proton means positive, so because of positive, this is positively charged. Alpha emission, alpha particle is positively charged, and 2 proton means 2 positive charge, so plus 2 positive charge. Okay, alpha particles have plus 2 positive charge, and this is the highest charge among alpha, beta, gamma particle or alpha, beta, gamma emission. This is highest charge among 3. Okay, then students, maximum ionizing power. Alpha particle have maximum ionizing power. Suppose students, gaseous ion. gaseous ion. Suppose students, when alpha particle goes through gaseous ion, when alpha particle goes through gaseous ion, the alpha particle's charge is highest, so the alpha particle starts to donate the charge to the gaseous molecules, and the gaseous molecules suddenly achieve the charge of alpha particle when alpha particle donates its charge to the molecules of gaseous molecules. Okay, so the maximum ionizing power, alpha particle have maximum ionizing power means charge donate capacity. Ionizing power means charge donate capacity. Then student, mass of alpha particle is 4 AMU. Heaviest particle, mass of alpha particle is 4 AMU. Okay, so if we discuss about all emission alpha, beta, gamma, then the mass of alpha particle is heaviest and highest, means very heavy. Mass is far and far high among 3 particles alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, so because of heaviest and maximum ionizing power, charge donate capacity is higher, so alpha particle have least penetrating power. Student, penetrating power means travel capacity. Okay, suppose students, travel capacity. Okay, least penetrating power means travel capacity. Suppose a small particle, or small particle means lesser particle, and big particle means heaviest particle. Okay, a teeny particle or heaviest particle travel history very high, because this is according to mass, this is small, but alpha particle is heaviest because of heavy weight. Alpha particle cannot go a long distance, cannot go in the deep, so this have less penetrating power, means travel capacity. So alpha particles travels capacity, penetrating power is slow. Least means slow, and speed is very slow. Definitely students, speed of alpha particle is very slow. Okay, so students, let a nucleus X, this is the nucleus X, atomic number 92, mass number 236. Okay, this is students not only a nucleus but also a radioactive nucleus, unstable nucleus. Unstable nucleus means the neutron and proton value is different. Because of neutron and proton value difference, so we can tell this unstable nucleus. Okay, so students, another name of radioactive nucleus, unstable nucleus, which is present in the reactant side of a chemical reaction, we call this parent nucleus. Okay, so students, if this radioactive nucleus, when alpha particle is emitted, only when students alpha particle is emitted, then alpha particle emitted means, students, before we discuss alpha particle means 2 4. So students, alpha particle emitted means 2 atomic number and 4 mass number emitted. So students, rest radioactive nucleus is 92 minus 2 equal to 90, 236 minus 4 equal to 232. So this rest nucleus is daughter nucleus, and some amount of energy also emitted. When students, alpha particle emitted from a radioactive nucleus, some amount of energy also emitted. So this energy right in the right side of the product side. So this is the reaction of alpha emission. Okay, so students, total atomic number and total mass number remain same in a chemical reaction. Suppose when a chemical reaction, when we check a chemical reaction, reactant side same with product side, but product side write in a different style according to reactant side, but reactant side or product side is same. So this is the meaning of that sentence. Okay, so students, another example. This is suppose a radioactive nucleus. Suppose this is a radioactive nucleus. Atomic number 92, mass number 236. Suppose students alpha particle is emitted. If students alpha particle is emitted, then we call this, in this case alpha emission is arises. Alpha emission is comes. So students, when the radioactive nucleus, in this radioactive nucleus alpha particle is emitted. Alpha particle means 2 4 and rest nucleus. This is daughter nucleus and this is parent nucleus. So rest daughter nucleus is 92 minus 2 equal to 90, 236 minus 4 equal to 232, and this is energy. Some energy also emitted in product side. So this is another example of alpha emission. Students, one question to you. Suppose students, this is the parent nucleus, parent radioactive nucleus. Atomic number Z equal to 92, mass number 232. Okay, so alpha particle is emitted. So in this nucleus, in this radioactive nucleus, what is the mass number? What is the mass number and what is the atomic number? And students, this nucleus, when 3 alpha particle is emitted, and what is the mass number and what is the atomic number of this radioactive nucleus? Calculate now calculate. This is the question. Okay, when alpha particle is emitted, then we can write 2 4 emitted. So when students 92 minus 2 equal to 90 and 232 minus 4, 232 minus 4 equal to 228. Okay, and student 3 alpha means 2 4. Okay, so 3 alpha means 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 90 minus 6 equal to 84, and 3 alpha means 3 into 4 12. So 228 minus 12 equal to 216. Maybe calculate, student, calculate. Okay, 216. So students, these are all about alpha emission. So alpha emission is complete. Then go to beta emission. Okay, before go about beta emission, we will know about beta particle. What is beta particle? Beta particle is nothing but electron. Beta particle is nothing but electron. Charge minus 1, mass 0. Charge minus 1, mass 0. Student, according to chemistry formula and chemistry rule, mass of electron equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This is mass of electron at rest. When electron in rest position, then this is the mass of electron. This is not in moving time. When electron revolves around the nucleus in a high speed, electron is a fast moving particle. So in the rest position, this is the mass. But in moving time, according to beta emission or beta particle, in case of beta particle, we will write that electron mass is 0 and charge of electron is -1. And remember a thing, this is -1 0. This is the main formula of beta particle, electron of beta. Okay, so students, this is the mass of electron. So mass of beta particle equal to electron's mass? Not. Mass of beta particle is undefined. Mass of beta particle is undefined. Okay, and speed of beta particle is 2.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 8 meter per second. So students, beta particle is a very small particle, is very small in size, okay. And students, mass is variable. Mass of beta particle is variable, okay. And students, charge of beta particle is -1 charge. And beta particle have more penetrating power. Students, penetrating power means travel capacity. Travel capacity of beta particle is higher than alpha and lower than gamma, because this is small in size, this is less, and alpha particle is larger in size, and this is heavy. Because of his heaviness, alpha particle is less penetrating power. Capacity of travel is less, but beta particles travel capacity or penetrating power is more. And discuss about ionizing power. So ionizing power of beta particle is medium. Students, when we discuss about ionizing power means charge donate capacity. Charge donate capacity of beta particle is medium. Means charge donate capacity of beta particle is less than alpha and more than gamma. Okay, this is all about beta particle. Then comes to beta emission. Suppose this is a radioactive nucleus, atomic number 6, mass number 14. When beta particle is emitted, students, I will tell you that remember a thing. That thing is beta -1 0. This is the formula of beta particle. Okay, so students, -1 0 plus this is rest radioactive nuclei. So students, -1 6 minus -1 equal to 7. Okay, then 14 minus 0 equal to 14. This is the daughter nuclei, and this is the atomic number changes, and this is mass number rest. In beta emission, atomic number increase and mass number remains same. Okay, and students, energy also emitted when beta particle is emitted, and with energy another particle also emitted. Another particle is antineutrino. This is antineutrino. Okay, this is antineutrino. Okay, this is students anti and this is neutrino. Suppose this is a reaction, this is a chemical reaction, and this is the example of beta emission. So our atomic number varies and increase with 1 and reached at 7, and our mass number remains same. In reactant site also mass number 14, product site also mass number 14 when beta particle is emitted. Okay, so students, these are something about beta emission.